Hi everyone. In this video, I want to find the trend for Amazon. If this is what you're interested in, then keep on watching. Come to Remora TC to trade like a shark and not get eaten by one. Let's school together to protect and grow our money. Let's start with the weekly chart for Amazon. You can see here that the chart goes all the way back to 2003. And I've annotated previously this long purple trend line that's been a very strong support for Amazon over all these years. What you can see though, as I zoom in, is that Amazon broke down here. And this was in the 2022 timeframe, right? This was last year. So last year, Amazon broke underneath this long-term support. And you can also see that when it broke down, it also came back and hit it as a retest. The retest failed and price has continued to go down. All right, so that's the weekly view. Let's go to the daily view to get a slightly better perspective. This daily view shows us about 2 years of price action. Okay, so it goes back to 2021. You can see this this channel here. Price broke down, retested this purple trend line here, here, and here. It even retested this trend line up here as resistance, and you can see that it retested down here as support. But when price finally failed, okay, in this area here, the big gap down, it retested this zone here. Okay, I annotated this zone with 4 trend line support and resistance, right, from a price standpoint. It's a zone because you can see that price hit off of it multiple times over the past year, used it as support, went back up, attempted to retest the long-term resistance trend line, failed at this 200. This is the 200. This blue line here is the 200 moving average. Failed at the 200, began making this downward wedge. Okay, so where are we now? At the start of 2023, and you can see that I've drawn some bullish divergence on the RSI and some bullish divergence on the PPO. Let's go even closer on the daily to get a better look. All right, so here we are on the closer view of Amazon. You can see down here that I've drawn already some bullish divergence. Why is it diverging? Well, here's a low, here's another low here. Price is downward, very obvious. But from a momentum standpoint, but the momentum is gaining. It's in the opposite direction. Same thing with the price performance oscillator. And using that momentum change, right? Price did a breakout. Finally broke out, made this run up, and it's about to approach this very dense zone of volume. The key thing we need to observe is between the 100 and the 103, how will price behave? I'm going to just kind of zoom in here for us just a little bit. All right, so it's very possible that price can either get rejected immediately off of this. Okay, actually, let me change the color real quick, make it a little bit easier to see. Let's go with like orange. Price will come up. It may get rejected right off of this. Okay, and come back down, find support. So that's one possibility. Okay. The next possibility is price will have some strong move, bust through this downward trend line. But then due to this zone of volume and prices, it'll hit that and get rejected and come back. Okay, it may do this a couple days and even come down further. The question then is, where will it find support? Will it find it here at about 95? Will it find it here at 94 before it does its upward move? Okay, so that's the second scenario. Okay, that's the second scenario. Let's clean this up. Third scenario is it breaks through with conviction, comes back down, and uses this zone as support. That would be beautiful, because then the long opportunity all the way up to gap close here at 111, that's a 13% move. So a few things for us to look at in the coming week or two for Amazon. If this video is useful to you, you found it something that you could learn from and help you with your trade, then please like and subscribe, and good luck with your trades.